I went to graduate school, and along the way I was a teaching assistant, and the minute I set foot in front of that classroom, I knew that was it. I loved it. Everyone talks about dual excellence. You know, we promote strong teaching, strong research. All universities will say that. What I found so attractive about University of San Diego is that we really do that. I really did feel like here they valued both teaching and research, and that's what attracted me to University of San Diego. I just had a paper accepted for publication, and I want to make a point that it was with two former students of mine, so undergraduate students here. And it's just a really interesting experience doing research with students because they often come up with really good ideas and are interested in pursuing them and generally don't realize how much work it's going to take to get that paper all the way to publication. So I've had 4 students total that have published with me in peer-reviewed journal articles. The small class sizes definitely lend themselves to kind of interesting, productive conversations about research ideas, and then it causes this kind of, it creates an iterative process. They go back, we do some research, they come back, we talk about it, and it's ongoing. And then by the end of the class, hopefully that they've got a good paper. But then the next step is, okay, after the class is over, now let's talk about, if they want to, turning this into a journal publication. And that's another level. Every other summer I teach a course in microfinance and wealth creation. And the last 4 times I've taught it in Guatemala. And I love teaching that course because we start here in San Diego. We do a lot of class prep work here, learning about the theories and doing case studies. And then we go into the field. And once we go into the field, it's fun to see students' reactions because they're scratching their heads thinking, wait a minute, this doesn't fit with the way I had it in my mind. So I'm watching students' reaction as I'm there, and it's fascinating. I can see it. They're not going to look at things quite the same way from here on out. You know, somebody's got to go to Brazil, Rio de Janeiro in January, which is summer there, of course. Somebody's got to teach the course. It may as well be me.